How's it going, everyone? Today is January 16th, 2020, and this is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. Good morning or afternoon, wherever you guys are coming from. This is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. We are looking at the USD JPY for a sell here. This has been kind of a slow market from this little position here. We are looking at a nice sell position right off of this resistance from this zone over here. Off to the left, we are looking at a positive 0.5 deviation as well that's in play that could be acting as support. And we are looking for that particular trade as of right now. We got in at 50, so this is basically a 50-50 trade. We're about $11.25 now, $10, and now $10, $9.50. So we are getting about $10 into profit right now. We have about 15 minutes left to go. We are at 110.16, and that is the position we have. We also have in our orders for 25, so we're looking for 25 profit as of right now. We're not that far away from the particular strike. We're not even 2 pips away from it. Right here is 2 pips at the 110.14. So that would be 2 whole pips from this position to this position here. So that's what we're kind of looking at right now, and we're not quite there yet. So we need to really kind of work our way down into this 200 MA, into that 110 spot 12 to really kind of see the full profit underway when it comes to our $25 zone here. So we're really going to kind of hope that this little zone right here does not hold, because as of right now it looks like it's kind of holding. As you can see from this zone all the way over here, this is kind of a little zone that's acting as support. Right here is acting as resistance, and we're kind of in like this little zigzag motion. As you can see, we're not really breaking anything. We're just kind of working our ways all around that little area. So we need to kind of work our way back down. We do have some nice MA clusters kind of working our way like this that can act as resistance to make sure we don't go past 110.16, and we can kind of wait there. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. We only have 14 minutes left into this trade. We're about $9, $10 into profit. So we could go ahead and close it for a little $50 winner, but we think that this is going to actually get it to a nice profit here. We're looking at some nice divergence on the higher time frames. This is a 15-minute time frame. We're not seeing divergence here. We're seeing some upward momentum, as well as right here, upward momentum. But what we can see is we are extremely overbought, and we are seeing some nice structure off to the left that is showing us that this thing may start to rally, or start to drop down even further. Our 110 spot 16 position is roughly, let me go ahead and put this on the 15-minute chart so we can get a better idea as to where this is exactly. All right, so it's right about there on that little candle right there. So if we actually go into this, we can tell that this particular position is roughly right about there, roughly. And so we just don't want the candles to kind of go. We're on the last 15-minute candle here. So we kind of want to see this thing kind of go down into that positive 0.5 to kind of test that zone. What we're looking at right now is kind of a test of this little zone right here. We acted as resistance here right on this candle. Now we're acting as support on these candles now. So again, we're kind of in this little funk. So we just need to let this kind of stand true with the overbought position. We need to come down to that positive 0.5, kind of test that, fake these buyers out, try to get them to go down into this position and sell off positions, or come down into this little zone, or come down into this little zone, and we can kind of rally back up if we want to go there. But because by that time our working order will have been filled, and we will have gotten that profit at $25 per contract. So I'll go ahead and pause the video, and we're going to see what happens on this particular trade when we come back. All right, we are back. It seems that our trade actually got filled on the 25 order, so we actually went ahead and actually made our $25 per contract on that particular trade. Let's go ahead and go back and see where we're at. As you can see, we did take the trade based off of this these highs and lows within this zone. And we saw that this potential right about on this candle here is where we saw the potential to be able to actually take the trade, and we actually took the trade right about here. And as you can see, we tested one more time, and now we're working our way back down to that positive 0.5 deviation level as support. And as you can see, we are looking at a really nice overbought zone when it comes to that. That was our trade of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was an amazing trade. It was basically literally a 50-50 trade, 50% risk, 50% return, $50 risk, $50 return. And we ended up getting half of that full potential profit in order to get in and out of the trade fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please visit our website at www.thrivingbull.com, or don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We are still doing our sale. I know that we've been doing the sale ever since the holidays, but we are still doing it throughout this month. You can get the full access package, which includes the auto trader, the thriving signals, as well as the deviation levels that you see here today, for just $150. Our thriving signals are usually $100 a month. Our deviations are usually $90 a month. So that's a $190 value, but for $20 off each product you get at a $150 price. You get both of those products plus the auto trader absolutely free. Now, at the $150 price tag of the auto trader, that is considered the conservative auto trader. A lot of people have been asking about that, which has a maximum contract size of 2. We have felt that that was a good contract size for somebody who is only, paying $150 for the actual product itself. But in reality, you're actually not paying anything for the product, because you get the deviation levels for inside that package, as well as the thriving signals, be able to manually trade them as well. You're basically just getting the auto trader for free within that $150 package. If you guys have any questions, please visit our website at www.thrivingbull.com if you want to be able to sign up for those signals and is able to sign up there. We are adding in some forex-based products. We're adding in some more signal-type services, as well as amazing other things within our UI within the auto trader. Again, website is www.thrivingbull.com. Thank you.